I'm going to show you how to factory reset your GoPro Hero 9 Black. Very, very simple here. So first thing you got to do is just go to one of the modes. It doesn't matter. You can be in photo or time-lapse video. It doesn't matter, okay? Just go ahead and be in any one of the modes here. And then from the top, you want to slide down. So we're going to slide down. And what we need to do is go to settings. So slide down. And now we want to slide to the left. And now we see preferences right here. Let's go ahead and tap on preferences. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to scroll all the way down to the very, very bottom. Oops, let me go back here. Very, very bottom here it says reset. Let's tap on reset. And then from here, we want to go ahead and we want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom again, where it says factory reset. Tap on that. Remember, with a factory reset, you're basically going to be deleting everything off of here except for anything that's on your SD card. Basically, once you factory reset this, it'll be as if you bought a brand new and took it out of the box and you have to set everything up again. You typically want to do this if you're selling it or if you have issues and you just want a clean slate. But it says right here, factory reset. Resets your settings, clears your connections, and removes the camera from your GoPro Plus account. And then if you want to proceed, click on reset, okay? Good luck, guys.